Hello guys. Today we are going to understand some algorithm here, and question is like write a function to remove anagrams in a given array, and array is given here. Okay. Now, before like going to the problem, we need to understand like first what is the anagrams. So anagrams are the words like where you will see like this, like if you check here nap and pan. So letters should be the same, but the sequence could be vary. Plus also like it can have some small letter and caps letter, that also. So out of these two, like if you see nap and pan, one of them only we should have it. And in the same way, teachers, cheaters, and hectares. So out of these three, we should have only one. And in the same thing, like year and era, we need to have only one. So if you remove it like in that way, so your final output is like you will be having like unique words, like without repetition of the same kind of letters. So this is our problem. We need to remove all the anagrams here. Okay. So I'll just suggest you like whenever we somebody asks this kind of the question to write this like some function. So always like it is preferred to before just writing the code or just to start solving the problem, we should actually first write some maybe 3 to 4 bullet point or kind of the algorithm, right? So and then you can start your writing the function like how you are going to solve this problem. And I think so. Just pause this video for 30 seconds. Maybe I'll prefer you if you can just like take a note of those 4 to 5 bullet point, how you can think of to solve this problem. There are like lots of ways to solve this problem, but whatever like comes in your mind, you can just note it down. Okay. So I just pause this video for 30 seconds and we'll solve this problem after 30 seconds. Okay. So I hope you have noted down your bullet points, how you're going to solve this problem. So I'm just also noted down like here. So my algorithm is going to be like I'm going to solve this problem with the help of the map. Okay. So I have taken this map and then I'm going to iterate all the words, whatever I am having inside the array. And then I'm going to make the key for these words, but before making the key, I'm going to do some operation here. So my approach is like I'm going to uh, convert first of all the word before making the key into a small letter, and then I will do the sorting. So why I'm taking this? So that like whenever I'm getting the anagrams here, like let's say if you talk about this snap and pen, those are going to be the same key, right? So that at least I will be override that value. That's what actually my approach. Okay, and then next is like I'm going to set this key and original value, and key will be like whenever I'm coming to this level, I will be having something like A and P, and this will also become the A and P as a after the sorting. So at the end, at the final iteration, I'm going to have only the last words, which is your anagrams, right? So that way, and then finally, I'm going to get the values part from the map so that I can get only the original words, like because I'm going to save this. So whatever is the left, this I will be able to like maintain this words. Okay. So and these are the exact word which will be available in the value section. So I'm going to get all the map values only into in array. Okay. So this is actually my algorithm. I wrote only 5 bullet points. So the better is like whenever you are going to explain any, or you are going to write the problem, or you are going to fix the problem. So if you write these steps, so you are making clear to the interviewer that what you are thinking and how you are approaching your problem. Okay. So it is not always like mandatory you are going to write exact like line by line correction, and sometime your program may work and may not work, but your approach should be actually quite clear so that it's for interviewer it is always like matter how you are going to approach the problem. Okay, so now let's I will just look into the function writing, and then we'll see like how we can write the function by following this algorithm part. Okay, so when I'm going to solve this problem, so you can see like here I just wrote all the my 5 bullet points here. Okay, so here the first thing, like I just wrote this function, and this is like also like as a developer, you need to take care like whenever you're writing any function name. Okay, those function names should be quite clear, and plus if anybody is like reading your program, I guess he will be easily able to understand like what you are doing inside this function. So this naming convention also like just take a note on that. Okay, so 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 this is like I have this my array, and I have given this words, and then I am passing this words inside the remove anagram function. Okay, and here I created this map, and then I am just looping out those all this words array, and each array the similar to like if you see I created this map, so this is my map here, then I am iterating all the words. So this is the second step. Then here in the third step, like how I am making the key is like first I word to lowercase, and then I split this, and then I did the sorting and join back. Okay, so here this join it, and then so this is like becomes your sorted and in the small letter. Okay, so this is your becomes the key now here, and this I'm going to set this sorted, and this is your original like original value in your array. Okay, so this is how actually I am just, and then after making this whole loop, so at the end I am just taking the values part only, and by using this array.from method. So here I am returning this. So if I run this program, I think you can check this output, and this is quite easy I think to understand. You can understand this. Okay, so this is your final output actually here. So at the end you have only your pan, this is from here, and then era and year, whichever is the coming at the last, you will be having that. So here your hectares, and this is the last era. Okay, so that's how like this program you can just take a look, understand this coding section, and I think you will be easily able to understand this program. Is very simple. Okay, thank you for watching this video.